What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Now, before you swipe away from this video, I'm telling you, check it out, because this knife isn't as bad as it looks. It actually looks pretty cool. It's a little goofy. Trust me, I thought so at first when I first got it. But it's not. It's actually freaking awesome. I love this knife now. I don't know why. I just thought it was goofy when I first saw it. I was like, okay, I'll check it out, but I'm not going to like it. I already had that in my head before I ever did anything with it. I was like, it's going to be goofy. Don't like it. Oh man, was I wrong. This thing is freaking awesome. Love it. And I'm going to get into why. Um, it may have a little bit of a goofy... Oh, well, first off, how about we just tell you what it is. This is from Kansept, and it is called the Cosmos. Now, like I said, it's a little goofy, maybe. I think so. It's a little odd. I'm kind of show you up close. There you go. Like this real quick. Overall design. It's a little wonky. The blade's going this way. The handle's going this way. It's going every which way. But I'm telling you, it's awesome. Like I said, it's Kansept Cosmos. It has a great handle on it. I freaking love the ergos on this thing. It's crazy. I don't know why. I feel like it's goofy looking, but everything just flows just right in my hand. My personal opinion. It just goes. This feels good in the hand. You have two sets of jimping. I thought was kind of cool. So if you choke up right there, you want to choke up, there you go. Makes sense to me. Why don't more companies do this? Are they hearing me? Here, let me get my mic. Why aren't more companies doing this? I just think that's a good idea. I like jimping. Maybe I'm a snob, like I always say, a jimping snob. But I like jimping. I like to be able to choke up on my knives, and that is perfect right there. I'm telling you, just one of a few reasons why this knife is so great. Yeah, that's number one. Great jimping, great locations. Blade style, I was a little confused at first. It is a Warncliffe. I kind of saw it, a little bit. I was thinking like Warncliffe, sheep's foot. I don't know, but I looked it up. It is a Warncliffe. Great blade. Love it. Nice and sharp. It is a little bit of stone wash right there. Let's kind of show you real quick. There you go. Stone wash. Beautiful, beautiful. And it is 20 CV. I'm a big fan of 20 CV. I'm a big fan of a lot of steels. I probably say that every nice video I have, like nice knife on my videos. I do like 20 CV. I have more than a few knives with 20 CV. It just works for me. This is a loaner. Sad to say I don't get to keep it, but it's going on the list of knives to pick up one day. I didn't think I'd ever say that with this thing. Like I said, seeing the pictures of it and everything like that, I thought this was going to be just maybe a quick video, but it's not. Like, I love it. Let's get into more of it. I love the freaking, this is called Nebula Carbon Fiber. Obviously, Nebula is what it's called. It's got that white and black. Let's kind of zoom in a little closer for you. Like, look at that. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It just looks great. Like, I love black and white, like I say, like together. Black, whites, grays, silvers. It all goes very well together, in my opinion. And I think that's why I was also drawn to this knife after having it in hand. I just like, it's dope looking. Now, okay, I looked it up. It says a frame lock. Down in the comment section, if someone could let me know what the difference between a frame lock, a nested frame lock is, or a bolster lock. I have another knife that looks a lot like this, and they call it a bolster lock. And then I saw another knife, another video the other day, and it looked kind of like that, and it said a nested line, or a nested frame lock, or a nested liner lock. Excuse me, I can't remember which one. I just don't know what the difference is. I've kind of tried looking it up a little bit, but I get mixed information. I don't know. I don't know where to look exactly. I might just do some more Googling. I don't know. We'll check it out. But if you know that answer, let me know down in the comment section. I would greatly appreciate it. But love it though. It freaking just feels great. I love that the pocket clip obviously is not sitting on it. No problem with the frame lock right there, the locking mechanism right there. Fits great. Got plenty of room right there. You can get it right down in your jeans and everything like that. Titanium. It just looked nice little pocket clip. I just like the way it looks. It's not like over like beautifully exaggerated or whatever, but I like the way it looks. Got a little bit of cutout right there. Kind of get a closer look for you. It's just kind of like a little cool pocket clip. Definitely, kind of deep carry for the most part. Titanium ones, you obviously have it like that. It's barely sticking out of the pocket, but still, great knife. Obviously, you have titanium also on the handle. So you have your titanium, and you have your Nebula carbon fiber. You have a titanium black backspacer, which goes all, overall with the theme of the knife. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Let's get a measurement for you real quick. We'll get those. Overall, let's get the right side. 8 inches. I'm going to go with about 8, maybe a hairball longer than 8 inches. We'll go with that. The cutting edge, that is about 3.15. Let's go with 3.15. Yeah. Let's get that scale out too. So it's got a little bit of nice little blade length and everything. Blade shape's nice. Everything overall is nice. Let's get a weight real quick for you before I start talking about the handle again. 3.4. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okie doke. So that's the way we got. Oh, the flipper tab. That's another thing I wanted to talk about. Look at that. Look at that little thing right there. Crazy, right? Like when I first saw that, also I was like, that's kind of goofy. Also, actually I didn't say that. I said that looked dumb. It looks dumb. I don't think that's going to work real well. Dang, I'm an idiot. I'm the dummy because it actually works very well. It's not going to sling it open like it does, but not like a flipper tab that might stick out a little farther. But what I like is that it's kind of just sits in the knife. Like it's not going to get caught on anything really. It just sits in there nicely, and it works perfect for what it is. Like it's nothing really like sticking out like this way, which is cool. I like it. I'm not going to get it caught on my jeans, stuff like that. And it's got a little bit of a jimping right there, right on the flipper tab on the top of it. And you just put it right there and let it rip. And I swear, like it's not shabby, and it's smooth. Smooth, and it got a pretty sound to it. Yeah, but ergos overall, like that's the one thing I go back to. Like overall, if you want to hold it like this, ergonomically, it feels good. You got your jimping right there, so it fits perfect. And if you choke up ergonomically, it also feels great because you got your thumb, your middle finger that goes right there. Your other two come this way, and your fingers on the choil, and choke up right there. I'm telling you, it's a great feeling knife. Who was the designer? Munko. I remember that was Munko Knives. I don't remember if that's... Hold on. Got the box right here, actually. Oh, just Munko Knives. So that's the designer. So there you go. Munko Knives. So overall, great knife. What I kind of compared it to, I actually have it out right now. It's a little different. Was the QSP pink one, the larger one that XL or Plus, I can't remember what they call it. But it kind of reminded me of that. That's a little bit different. This is supposed to be like silver or aluminum. Silver. I think they called it aluminum. But it kind of reminds me of that. That's why I originally kind of checked it out. I was like, yeah, I'll go to check out. I like this better. It looks better. I didn't think I'd like this as much, but I swear it's cool. Like you're not gonna go wrong with it. Either way. But that's all I really got. If you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up. If you have any comments about it like that, just leave it down in the comment section. It's a great knife overall. You wouldn't go wrong. I didn't tell you the price. It's $199, so it's a little expensive, I guess, depending on your range. But I don't think you're not gonna like it. You're not gonna like it. If I said that correct, yeah, you're not gonna like it. You're gonna like it. Let's just be simple. You're gonna like it. My opinion. It's a great knife overall. Great flipper tab. Minimalist, kind of like with the flipper tab. That's what I think. That's what it is. Minimalist. Great knife overall. Check it out though. Thanks.